Hi Bill and Chris. I am recording this video to show some of the new updates and some new items I have updated and fixed. So first of all, the reporting, audit reporting. So I'm going to log in as one of the customer, and for the report generation, this is one of my test customer. And for this particular customer I have multiple agreements I have created for the testing purpose. Okay, so the audit report generate button, I give it here because what I understand is this report is not for a specific audit but for all the audits under an agreement. So instead of giving the button against each audit type, I give it the button here. Please suggest me if this is not right, and you give the option somewhere else to generate the report. So what I have done that in this report only those audits will be included which have at least some savings, or their status is saving identified, please review, or the one was saving not available. So when I hit this, it will download a PDF with the company name, and here will be the company name, the date of generation when the report was generated, and here are all the paragraphs as Bill provided me in a document, and the tables. Please also review if these calculations and amounts are correct. If there is anything which is not correct, please let me know. So as you can see that in here we have savings for electricity, workers comp, and this one natural gas 3, and this one 4 and 5. So here we will only have those 5 audit types in the reports. Others are not included in this report until those audit type have any savings or status update. You can test and let me know if there is anything need to be updated on the reporting, like for this this agreement, like this one. Okay, this agreement, what happened to this one? Okay, sorry, these are on the different still reviewing in progress. Okay, this button will not be available if all the audits in under an agreement is in the reviewing stage or in the progress. This will only appear when at least one audit have savings, or the status is something savings identified or saving not available even. So one more thing, that you also want this available, this feature available for the admin and for the channel managers to generate the report. Let me show you from where an admin can generate this report. I'm going to log in as admin. So under the agreements, we have here, from here an admin can generate the report. That's I'm going to generate for this one. Oh sorry, generate audit report. So this is giving the message a report is not yet ready to be generated for this agreement, not yet single audit is complete. So for this audit agreement, not a single audit is completed. Let me try another. Let's suppose this one, and from here we can generate the report. Here it is. Okay, and for the channel manager, I do not understand. I need your suggestion or advice that where we can add this feature for the channel manager to generate the report, because we do not have the agreement section for the managers here. We only have the audits, so maybe we can add in this section, or please advise where you want this feature available for the admin for the channel manager to generate the reports. Okay, there was another item. Let me log in as admin. The item you asked to change the channel manager or partner or client for an agreement from the dashboard. I made this feature available for the admins only. You can go to the agreements, and from here you can update even a client, channel partner or manager for an agreement. You will simply click here, and it will show you all the available partners in our system, and you can choose any of them and hit this button and it will update. And same for the channel manager, and same for the client. And the one more thing, you have asked to update the commissions percentage for all the parties at any stage of an agreement. So on the same agreement page, you can click here on the commission settings, and it will show you all the let me open example. This one only have 2 agreements, so from here you can update the commission percentage for any party. For example, the auditor, I'm going to put, instead of 50, let's suppose 10%, and save. And now if you want to recalculate the commission amounts after updating the commission rate, you will go back to agreements, and here under the totals, right now you can see the old amounts here. I think it is already updated based on the 10% when you change the commission, but just to be make sure, you can use this button to recalculate it, and it will when you change the percentage from there, it was already updated the commission for that agreement. Okay, one more thing you asked for the channel managers and admin to see the client username and password. So under the client info on the audits table, when you click on the agreement name here, it will show you a pop-up with the login info, and when you click, it will show you the username and the password. This feature or this info is only available for admin and channel managers. I'm also sending some questions. I have also updated some of the other items on the list, small ones like this one. We have discussed ability to adjust, discussed. This one is done. You can review. This is the reporting feature, so you can review and please share your feedback. Almost all many of the open items are completed. Just a few one are left, which I think have some question. The major one is left is the QuickBooks integration. So now I will, after reporting finishing, when you will go give me go ahead, I will deploy it to live, and then I can start work on QuickBooks integration. Thank you.